Alright, we got a CN westbound train coming down the line. The time is 6:10 a.m. So what do we got for power on this train? So we got... let me see. 3067, 2847, 3268, and 8814. It's got a potash train? Holy shit. Okay, symbol on this train is CNB731. This train originates from St. John, New Brunswick. Terminates in various locations in Saskatchewan. All on this August 7th, 2023 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. So we got ourselves B731. I haven't caught that train in a while. It runs as needed. It'll be in my city around 7 or 8 o'clock in the morning. Just so you're wondering. Before we get in this video, why don't you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn notification bells on, and let's see if we can get a bunch of trains in this video. Whoa! I guess this train has no DPU, alright, because it only had 4 engines at the front. Thank God we're here just in the nick of time to catch this potash train. I don't think 119 has gone by yet, because usually it comes through around 7 a.m. or 8 o'clock, usually. It can be early, you know. I'm hearing chatter on the CPKC line. Whether we get a southbound train or we already missed 119, I'm not sure. We'll find out later. Alright, never mind. I lied to myself. There is a DPU, alright. So we got 3870. DPU, alright. Alright, here comes the next train scene. Roll it. Alright, we got a CN westbound train coming down the line. The time is 6:15 a.m. and I think it's got to be light power. I don't know what train it is. Someone has to write comments and tell me what light power this train is. Or is it a freight train? I'm not sure. 4 engines. So we got 3986 leading, 3136, 3155, 3315. All on this August 7th, 2023 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. Alright, here comes the next train scene. Roll it. Alright, we got a CN eastbound train coming down the line. The time is 6:38 a.m. So great news, 119 and 118 are coming in this video. I just heard on the screen that 119's at Weston and 118's at Vonyard. So we got... let me see, we got 8939, 8902. We got an eastbound. What could this train ID be? Looks like it's all loaded auto racks. Let me think for a second. this train be? Wait, I think I know what it is. So many trains on this line, and you don't know the symbols. Let me think for a second. It's got. Okay, I think I know what it is. I'm not gonna call it out until I know what else they're carrying. I'm not gonna call the symbol ID until I know what it is. Wait, this might be the one from that came out of Kitchener. Might be the L532, which originates from Kitchener, Ontario, terminates in McMillan Yard. All on this August 7th, 2023 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. All right, here comes the next scene. Roll it. All right, we got a CN westbound train coming down the line, and it stacks. It's an intermodal train, so the time is 7:09 a.m. Looks like 119 is having problems at Weston, or actually it's at mile 7 detector, and he's having problems. Anyways, what do we got for power? So we have 2241 leading. I think this train came out of the Bala sub. I'm not gonna call this symbol ID until I know what else they're carrying. I think this has got to be 180, yeah? I think. Not 100% sure, maybe 102 or... It's definitely not the 112 for sure. I'll know it if I know what else they're carrying. Looks like it's 180 to me, because it has Costco containers. That's what it looks like. I don't know what the symbol on that intermodal train is. Anyways, someone has to write chats on the premiere and tell me what ID this train is. All on this August 7th, 2023 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. We got 2949 DPU, all right. Here comes the next train scene. Roll it. All right, we got a CN eastbound train coming down the line. The time is 7:17 a.m. So the last train I caught was CN Q180 from Prince Rupert, British Columbia to Brampton Intermodal Terminal. So that's what the train I caught. That's what they said on my scanner. So now I know what that train was. So we have, oh my god, Union Pacific, all right! So we got 3819 leading, 7637, 8908. Awesome, a Union Pacific unit. Give that a thumbs up if you can. this train is CNM 394. This train originates from the Kirkyard in Gary, Indiana, terminates at the McMillan Yard in Toronto, Ontario, all on this August. th, 2023 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. I am having the jackpot right now, but I haven't caught any CPKC trains. But there's one coming, but it's I think the 119's at the Shepherd siding waiting for 118 to go through, I think. That's my assumption. That's my theory, that they're waiting for a southbound and then a northbound will go by. I think they're stopped at a siding at Shepherd. That's what I heard. Awesome to get a Union Pacific. Oh my God, what is that? BNSF all right, I'm striking the jackpot here. DPU all right, 38.45. Awesome, what a big lash up on there. Union Pacific and BNSF units all right. I am striking today. I'm thinking those Form Power will go on 399 tonight. That's what I'm thinking. They'll definitely won't be on 397 today. It'll be on 399 tonight. I am striking the gold today. Awesome to get a BNSF DPU all right. What a definite surprise catch I caught. I think the 119 is probably stopped at the Shepherd siding to meet 118, I think. That's my theory. I think they're at a siding. I think the northbound's at the siding. Nice to get a BNSF unit, and it's Union Pacific. All right, here comes the next train scene. Roll it. All right, we got a CPKC train coming down the line. I believe it's a southbound train. The time is 7:53 a.m. So after that train, the northbound will show up. So we got 8920 leading, KCS 4092. Symbol on this train is CPKC 118. This train originates from Edmonton, Alberta, terminates in Montreal, Quebec at the St. Luc Yard. All on this August 7th, 2023 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. Finally, my first CPKC train in this video. There's the manifest. DPU all right, 8173. Okay, it's starting to drizzle now, so I'm gonna have to go under the tree to get dried up. Alright, here comes the next train scene. Roll it. Hold it! Now don't click away, because we got more trains to come. There always is on Hunter Stewart Hobbies, because you guys ain't seen nothing yet. Here comes the next scene. Roll it. Alright, we got a CPKC northbound train coming down the line. The time is 8:04 a.m. Symbol on this train here is CPKC 119. This train originates from St. Luc Yard in Montreal, Quebec, terminates in Edmonton, Alberta. So we have 8125 leading. Trailing second is KCS 4583. 75. Look at that old CP rail hopper. They look very old. Got some grain cars. Alright, let's see if there's any more trains coming. If not, this will wrap it up and end it. Here comes the next scene. Roll it. Alright, we got a CN eastbound intermodal train. So we got 3155, 3315. That was the same light power I caught earlier. Symbol on this train is CNQ107. This train originates from Brampton Intermodal Terminal, terminates in Thurleton Yard in Vancouver, British Columbia. All on this August 7th, 2023 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. Okay, the time is 8:54. Shit, I forgot to track it because this guy snuck up on me. And it is ended. It's pissing rain right now, so that's why I got my umbrella back on. Maybe the other light power that I saw, maybe the other light power is for 101 later on, or 183. I'm not sure what it was, but it's going to be the 4 light power was for 107 and 101 for today. After 107 goes by, then 101 will come through. Unfortunately, I won't be able to get 101 today. We'll see. We'll see if I can stay out for that train. Alright, that was pretty short. Alright, here comes the next scene. Roll it. Alright, we got a CPKC train coming down the line. The time is 8:56 a.m. That was a surprise right there. I'm still getting wet even though I have my umbrella on. So we got a southbound, I believe. So what do we got for power? I hate the freaking rain. So we got 8118 leading. All manifest. What could that one be? That's the train that I heard when he was going through Bolton like 20 minutes ago. It's got intermodal. Not a lot. Mostly manifest. Wait, it is intermodal. I was right. First I thought, was this 420 I'm catching? But no, that's not 420. I think this has got to be CPKC 112, I think. By the way it looks. I'm not going to call the symbol out. I'm not going to confirm the symbol until I know what else they're carrying. Should be at least some auto racks at the very end of the train, and mid and rear DPU on this train. Okay, symbol on this train is CPKC 112. This train originates from Vancouver, British Columbia. Terminates in Montreal, Quebec at the St. Luc Yard, all on this August 7th, 2023 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. That was a surprise right there. As soon as I ended the video, and after 107 came by, a minute later, 112 showed up. After a minute after I rolled it, then this train came by, which is a surprise. My phone is getting all foggy because of the freaking rain. I wish the rain would go away. I hear a roar through this, and there might be a DPU all right on this train, I think. Mid one. There it is. DPU all right, 9809. It is pouring crazier outside. I can't stand it. I can't stand the rain. I'll just fix the lens. There we go. The lenser should be better. I really had it with the rain. Well, isn't this great news? We got at least. Wait a minute! Are you kidding me? Train meet all right. Only one engine? Maybe there's a DPU on this one too. Let's see. So we got 2777. Awesome, a train meet all right on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. I literally can't film two trains at once. It's ridiculous. Okay, what time did I cut this one? 9 o'clock. 9 a.m. What a surprise right there. Can't film two damn trains at once. You have to go back and forth until I see something appealing. Awesome. What's that right there? DPU, all right, 9835. There's the end of CPKC 112. Off it goes to Montreal. Let's film the rest of the CN train right now. There's the end of CPKC 112. Let's film the CN train. Okay, symbol on this train is CN M396. This train originates from Memphis, Tennessee at the Harrison Yard, terminates at the McMillan Yard in Toronto, Ontario. All on this August 7th, 2023 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube, which met the CN M396 met the CPKC 112, which is a definite surprise train meet we got. I'm so thrilled now. I don't think I'm going to be able to stay for CPKC 113 because it's going to be like around noon usually. Usually comes through here like around before noon. Same with CNQ 101. So I'm going to have to get going after this one, and maybe we'll see if there's anything else coming. If not, we'll wrap the video up after this train. I've been getting a lot of trains today. Holy shit, it was a busy morning today. I'm having a busy morning than usual. Like, last Wednesday was pretty shitty. I got nothing. All I got was a bunch of GO trains. That's it in my area. And this one's short too. No wonder why there's no DPU. Only one engine. Pretty short. Alright. Let's get to the last couple cars and let's see if there's anything else coming. If not, this will wrap it up. Alright, here comes the next scene. Roll it. Alright, this will wrap it up for today's video, folks. Unfortunately, I couldn't stay out all day because it's pissing down rain all day. It's too much rain for me to Railfan today. At least I got some appealing trains today in the video, which was a BNSF, Union Pacific, KCS, and all that junk. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn notification bells on, leave comments, and I will see you in the next video. Hunter Stewart Hobbies is signing off. Peace out, everybody.